NDC government esumfidie bi ama Honorable Ken.
Abusuya me ne wo kasa yi de osofu bi de ba beto dwa say NDC asset trap e de make in Japan. Na o kire mu say trap no say be before you mistake to make in Japan na sa trap no e be kire abusuya mo ntie se mo de to dwa ne ba ne wi a e be de hu komo.
NPP for afutuwe ekomamo. The NDC government esumfidie bi ama Honorable Ken. In case say ono timi ebeye NPP presidential candidate. And this is a prophecy. Tiebio second ebeye NPP presidential candidate. Efidie ekese bia bi ewo ho. It's a prophecy. Now listen to it so that over far one no more intimi and me too. NDC for ba ben mo pe. And omo chi abrantie bi. Say ono ena Ahmed Swale ni pictures or share ye edema Honorable Ken. Now Honorable Ken enim who Ahmed Swale was. Sa abrantie no ena edi ni picture ekoma Honorable Ken. Honorable Ken timi show no ni TV station ma abonefo bi timi kodi Ahmed Swale abone on can't asifo ho bi onti o mache no omo chi no abrante no owo he omo di na asem odensewam owo CID omo atwere na no asem. Nobody knows. The whole country is silent about it. A country of short memory people. Omo de nesie. Omo train. An event. In an event to say Honorable Ken winning NPP presidential a candidate. Na. Eno. Eno mo besha se edi asem no. And the country will be hot. And they say nipa ono the picture e share secretly. Emma Honorable Ken, if they could accuse him of Ahmed Swale niwa, then what do you think they will do to Onipa onoso tena radio so a show picture no eka ensem eka ho ebebubo aba. And this will happen somewhere in 2027 and 2028 if Ken becomes NPP's presidential candidate. So, some prophecy we know about the trapper NDC are buying a setting at the atuho air train Honorable Ken no. NPP 4 have to work about it. Especially Honorable Ken, the campaign team CCA no. Omonye ho ejuma. If we say that legal battle no omo so in 2027 leading to 2028, and Ken omo betwe na boso abra ono ND NPP enim. It's a prophecy. Watch it out. NPP, especially Honorable Ken and the campaign team, do not let NDC catch you off guard. Use this prophecy to prepare for that legal battle that awaits NPP and any presidential candidate in an event to say, Ken, ene betu franka ama NPP na to ho anamon na beboa
mi NDC ni nenso Kennedy Japan wini a meto am NPP omoboa enkoto aba mfa ma Kennedy Japan abanmo amokoto no 31 January no ento aba mfa ma Kennedy Japan e agenda ni nyina ka NDC fo agenda ne ho to aba fama bawomia because Kennedy Japan no afi na ono oba be campaign a project ne ho akere Ghana fo se wo ye flag bearer bawomia nso ayesa adwuma na to ho dada eti na NDC for prase Kennedy Japan mra na omso mfa obi ono nso ye new mra na omfa omunkonkosi akan ena Kennedy Japan kura no onye MPP ni biem MPP hu do afri ni mu every say untimi nka njerem say why MP for 20 years na we see 20 me anye we see ta amfa ma MPP onye MPP ni biem yen mu bi kura de yen kan nka MPP hu ye kan nka NDC hu enti delegate no enkoto aba mfa ma Kennedy Japan enko sesa vote no yenim say already no onya but en save vote no kra ento aba mfa ma no because ene ye chichema wuntumi na me ti wei se me support chema wuntumi no ye MPP ni nko ade me de ne se ye MPP o enso Kennedy Japan kampo nko a na ya chichema wuntumi ene ye chi abronyi omo nsopo ona na sei ena ye ne omo hu se ye ne ye papa omo boa omo nyina NDC fo nko a enti mo mama dwum na ho mo nkoto aba no mfa ma baomia ma mo nkoye Kennedy Japan ontimi wini election bi amamo otoma Kennedy Japan mo betena fie 2028 but baomia 2028 obeso 2029 obeso Ghana frank anim ehwai akere Ghana fo sa NDC for agenda ne ba bia mo de befa bia ye nim ye beka akere MPP fo ama o mani ada ho me NDC ni Kennedy Japan wini e beto ama no ye ma no nso wini no ato ama no ye mpemu mu bia akura wo party nim why.
So basically, no, a person actually say, trap ni nyina no, and they say the NDC knows that they cannot win against Dr. Bawumia. So, amongst the trap, and they say MPP nye mistake. No koto abama Kennedy Japan, no koto abama Kennedy Japan. That is when they are going to strike, because that is when they will use his videos and things they have against him. You know, somewhere they are going to use it. So, the biggest mistake are the New Patriotic Party, you know. Ebeyene say Mbako elected Kennedy Japan as the flag bearer of the New Patriotic Party, because the moment they bring Kennedy Japan, it is easy for the NDC to win, because this time around, you know, they will not be fighting Kennedy Akompo Japan. They will be fighting the things that she said during 2023, 2022, 2021 and years back. The videos are na say to expose him and to make him unpopular to the people. So this is what he said. But let me tell you, I can tell you, say, from what I'm seeing and what I've heard, you know, it is going to be easy, very, very easy for him to do that, for the NDC to do that. So I think I was say a share year. Not ya mistake uncle to about farmer Kennedy Akompo Japan. Yes. There was a share year. The uncle to about farmer Kennedy Akompo Japan, because our trap way say a chair there and a night yati. Oh yes, the trap way chair night yati. So it is very important for us to know, say, the biggest mistake we can do is to vote for Kennedy Akompo Japan, because the moment you vote for him, the NDC is going to win the election without doing any campaign. Just play his videos and boom,